Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning. Just wanting to share with you today some of the other services that we can offer you, which include gutter cleaning. This can be a standalone service or part of a roof cleaning project. So you can do two options of cleaning your gutters out. One using the gutter vac system, which is industrial vacuum cleaner, 3,600 watts, so it's got a bit of suck to it. And we use that with aluminium poles, so we can actually get up and suck all that debris and detritus from your gutters. Or sometimes, if it's that bad, you've got to get the good old ladder out and actually scoop it out by hand. So if your gutter cleaner is being part of a roof cleaning project, we'll make sure that everything in the surrounding areas are rinsed down as well. So once all the gutter cleaning has taken place, you're often asking yourself what's going to happen to the residue. So we have two options. If it's part of a roof cleaning project, then we normally use a hippo bag or a junk bag for the waste to be collected and disposed of. Or if you do actually have your own green waste and it's a small gutter clean job, then we can actually put that waste directly into your green ready for collection. So part of the protection of your property as well would be for us to put down plastic sheeting to make sure any detritus or moss that comes down through the cleaning process is collected onto the sheets, making it easier and tidier for the guys to clean up afterwards. If you'd like to know more information about the services that we offer here at Alfresco, please visit the website www-alfrescoEC-co-uk or call the office on 01 235 754 000. Thank you.